All right, big picture with Apple, we have been stuck in this range for a while. This is still looking like a bull flag, so let's see if we can push higher. If you look left, you can see every single month we've pulled lower before pushing higher. So we're still in the same range when you look left like this. We just haven't been able to really get out of this box, but it does look like a bull flag. So if we can get past this 233, which we have been stuck at and tapped so many times, we could push higher for more upside, but for now, Apple's definitely in a little bit of a pullback, so let's see what happens. Moving into the weekly chart, you can see we've moved sideways for weeks now, and it's always this 233 and 224, so still stuck in that same exact range. Again, you can swing that range of support and resistance, but it's really, really choppy, and we just keep going back up and then back down. So let's just see if we can get a breakout at some point. I think that'll give us a little bit more direction long term. Looking at the daily chart, you can see how many times we've actually tapped that 233 area and just could not hold. We've also got this trend line running here. Got a nice little break, but it couldn't hold, popped right back up inside. So if you look left, you can see this chop area that we are in. We've been inside days here. This is about 16 days, if I remember right, that we have been moving sideways. And if you look further left, you can see we did the same thing last time we were in this range as well. So this is a really, really tough area to get through. We cannot break through and have just been continuing to move sideways. So the bigger picture, I'm still looking at that 233 and that 224 area to see if we can possibly get more downside. But if you look at the bottom of this chop box, you can see, look at this, we have more chop here and we have more chop here. So this range could actually be all the way down here. And that puts us down at that 216 area. So we definitely are going to have a little bit more of a struggle bus here. That 224 could push us down, but we have this and this to be mindful of. So it could go all the way to 216. So just keep that in mind with Apple. As Apple does push the market, we need to get above that 233 area to see some continuation on up higher.